We have a responsibility towards sustainability. It's not just a choice. Therefore, we should have the obligation of at least trying to bring more innovative and sustainable solution to our building industry.
I kind of started thinking about this by talking to contractors. We were just going through the motions of recommending gravel rafts. We started realising that Wellington landfills are just really struggling. A lot of the material that they are excavating out of this site they are carting it all the way out to Otaki. They are then going out and, again, getting multiple truckloads of AP65 and AP40, which is an engineered fill material, to then place and compact to build that ground back up. It got me thinking, this can't be good for the environment. Then we were introduced to Cresco Group and their foundation system, the X-Pod.
The pod itself is plastic and can be recycled, and it is made out of recycled plastic. And once we reach the end of the life of the building and we want to dispose of this product, we can still reuse it and remake new pods out of it. The alternative would be polystyrene pods, and typically these get cut on site, and once you cut them, they release lots of little beads and particles. They get all around the site, they pollute the environment, whereas with an X-Pod foundation system we use recycled and recyclable plastic that does not pollute in any ways and can be reutilized.
We have looked at how we are actually being more sustainable. So we've prepared a research report. It shows, look, we're looking at 4,799 kilograms reduction in carbon emissions using the X-Pod foundation. It's quite a large frequency, especially if you work out how many TC2 sites we do have in some areas across the region. When people think of an environmental initiative, they think it costs more money. But the reality here is it's also a lot cheaper. We're looking at a 40% cost reduction. About a $32,000 saving between an X-Pod and doing the option 1 gravel raft with a TC1 poly foundation. It's a large amount of money for one single house. You start putting that across multiple projects. You start thinking about the amount of money we can actually save people. It is simple. It is reusing and recycling, using every bit of material that we have. When this topsoil is stripped, all of this topsoil is reused elsewhere or sold so it can be used on another project. Becoming more and more involved with people that want to use recycled concrete. Concrete has quite a large carbon emission. Its creation and going into a landfill isn't exactly ideal. So by being able to reuse that in an engineered fill sense, it's not only cost effective, but again, it's carbon friendly in a sense.
I do take a lot of pride in what we do, and knowing that this is going to help the future generation is really rewarding.
How many other countries have the wind, the sun, geothermal, the rivers that we have? I mean, we have every single available resource to us, and we pride ourselves on being quite far under 100%. There is so much room to grow. Just because we were gifted this playing ground doesn't mean that we should be fully utilising it. We have some brilliant minds in this country, and it would be really cool to see what else we can do collectively to further benefit the environment.